Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a private videos on Telegram on iPhone. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to go and search in the search bar about save restricted content free. And then here you can now send or click start to save the Telegram videos on iPhone. Then join the private channel. Make sure that you're a member of private channel and you must have the invite link. Then after that, let the video fully load. Tap the video and let it buffer completely until you can play it. Then you can use a Telegram save option. Just once it's fully loaded, just tap the three dots here and search the share icon on the video and choose to save gallery or save files depends on your Telegram version. And now the video is now saved to your photos or app or files app depending where you save it. You cannot use Android file browsing methods on iPhone. If you want to save option is disabled by the admin, screen recording the video while it's play is fallback option. Use iPhone's built-in screen recording and go to the control center if you want. And that's it. If this video tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.